If you loved sailing through the treacherous waters of the Sea of Monsters with Percy, Annabeth, and Tyson, battling mythical creatures, discovering ancient secrets, and navigating friendship and heroism, then you are in for a treat. Today we're diving into a list of epic books that capture that same heart-pounding magic and mythological wonder. Get ready to meet demigods, sea serpent, dark quest, and powerful friendships. Let's dive in. Starting with the obvious. If you haven't read Rick Riordan's Trials of Apollo series, what are you even doing? This spin-off from Percy Jackson throws the sun god Apollo into a mortal teenage body as punishment, and his journey is both hilarious and dangerous. It features familiar faces and a whole new wave of monsters and mythological lore. Like the Sea of Monsters, Fable takes you deep into oceanic danger. It's a gritty tale of a girl abandoned on an island who has to fight her way back to the sea and into the secrets of her past. The stormy seas, ship battles, and raw emotional arcs will definitely give you that same salty, high stake thrill. If you wanted more magical ships in Sea of Monsters, you will love The Ship of Shadows. This middle-grade fantasy follows Aleja, a bookish girl swept onto a pirate ship, full of mysterious women, secret maps, and dangerous secrets. It's magical, empowering, and perfect for fans of myth-infused sea adventures. Based on the video game, Song of the Deep is a deeply atmospheric underwater tale of a young girl searching for her missing father in the depths of the ocean. It's eerie, emotional, and filled with mythical sea creatures. Think of sea monsters but with a deeper dive, literally. What if the origins of Atlantis were steeped in a battle between light and dark magic? That's what you get in Atlantis Rising, a lesser known gem that explores ancient lore with gripping storytelling. Fans of Poseidon and ocean myth will absolutely love this one. Want something darker but still adventurous? The Dark Deep starts when a group of kids discover a mysterious island and a creepy glowing pool. It conjures monsters from their thoughts, and it does not take long for things to spiral. It has that eerie mystery vibe that feels like a cousin to the Sea of Monsters' magical chaos. For those who love the mischievous tone and mythological chaos of Riordan's work, check out Loki, Where Mischief Lies. It reimagines the Norse god of mischief as a complex anti-hero in a Sherlock Holmes-style mystery. It's clever, action-packed, and deliciously witty. If you're looking for something visually rich and wildly imaginative, Beyond the Deep Woods is your next stop. It follows Swig, a boy who strays from his path and ends up in a bizarre forest full of strange creatures and unexpected allies. It's like getting lost in the Sea of Monsters forest, dangerous, weird, and unforgettable. Ever wondered about the origins of sea witches? This Little Mermaid reimagining explores the tragic story of a misunderstood girl turned villain. It's full of dark ocean magic, friendship, heartbreak, and a twisty descent into myth. Fans of the Cyclops Island and Siren songs will feel right at home. And there you have it, 9 epic reads that echo the magic, adventure, and mythology of the Sea of Monsters. Whether you crave high seas battles, mythological monsters, or emotional friendships, these books will keep the adventure alive. Let me know in the comments which one you're reading first, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more magical recommendations.